Alrighty guys, welcome back to another walkthrough. My name's Taylor Quayle. Today we're looking at a 2007 Country Coach Tribute 260 Sequoia. A quad slide diesel pusher with a 400 horse. I'm pretty sure we got a Cummins in the back pushing this thing. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go through the whole exterior here, check out and see what kind of upgrades the previous owners have done. Check out all the storage compartments and we'll jump inside. Now first off, you'll see I got everything opened up. You got a door awning right there, and then we got a window awning main awning right there. They are both electric. Main awning does have a nice wind sensor on it. Here's your tire size upside down, but 295 ADR 22.5s. See your fuel fill right there. Your first storage compartment. I'm sure at one point there was a cooler, TV, maybe something there that they just took out. But you could do really whatever you want. Majority of these compartments are side latch. You can see we got two pull-out trays right here. It goes all the way through. And then one more right there, a little bit smaller. All your all your paperwork. I was told these owners did about 25 grand worth of upgrades in here on the interior, so we'll be able to see that in a second. Propane tank access right there. You got that from both sides. And then you can see your ladders also in there. And these are two-way sliding trays, so they will slide out the other way. Beautiful color scheme. Not too much road wear on this coach. I mean, a couple small scratches, some of the compartments, but overall this is a beauty. Window awnings, one of your first battery compartments, and then a just nice decent sized storage there. You can see they got their sewer hose in there now. There's a rear radiator. And as we can see, you see a little bit of the block. It's decently easy to get to that filter. And it does look like a yellow block, so I was wrong. It is going to be a cat. And you can definitely see that a little bit right there. You can see 10,000 pound hitch, 7-pin connector. Backup camera. Does have the ladder extension. You saw that in one of the storage compartments. Here's our driver's side. Try to get this as steady as possible for you. Slide toppers with metal covers throughout. 50 amp power service is a dual AC. See your power transfer switch. Small little storage area. Here's your dump station. You can see both gray and black poles, whole coach water filter. Looks like it's got some winterizing, some outdoor showers, all types of fun stuff. Now we're getting to the other side of those pass-throughs once again. Slide out both ways. Other side of the propane tank, you can see the meter gauge on it. And then other side of that pass-through storage. And those two chairs are for the dinette inside. Now this is a two-person coach. You're not going to be able to sleep more than two unless you put them on cots, or if you're drunk enough, you can sleep on the chair. You see your big inverter there. I'm almost positive that's a 2,000 watt. And then we got 4 brand new interstate batteries. Fuel fill on this side too. And then I forgot to open that, but that's just a little storage compartment, mainly with electronics in there. All right. 8,000 kilowatt gen, 477 on it. All right. What I'm gonna do really quick, how are you open? I'm gonna shut all these awnings so I can give you a look-see, I guess you could say, how this thing looks all closed up. I'll be right with you. I'll watch that awning finish up going in. See that metal cover come down? Beautiful. So here is passenger side of the coach. Walk around to the front and the driver's side. Sorry about the shakes. See this coach with all the window awnings in and the storage compartments closed. All right, so next up we got the interior. Let's go see all the upgrades they did there. We got 2 exterior steps and about 4 more going in. You can see a step cover comes out right there. Right when you walk into your left, house battery and light controls. But this is the first thing you see. So like I said, they've done some good upgrades in here. We'll go over some of them. Mainly interior, mainly that right there, that right there, and then the front cabinetry. First off, let's get the keys. Over on the left, Allison electronic shifter. What do we got? Visors, trip settings, battery boost, engine brake, fans, all types of fun stuff. Your full auto leveling jacks. I'm re-looking at these and I don't think they're not auto leveling. But you still got full on leveling jacks. See all your gauges here, 43,000, I will call it 44,000 miles. Backup camera with a meter gauge. CD below us, AC controls there, cruise control on the steering wheel, should be a cup holder, and you also have this, which is kind of cool. This will wrap around and give you an additional cup holder for you and the passenger. One thing I thought's pretty cool about this front driver's seat is you have this cushion slide, so you can push that and push that cushion forward. If you're like me and you got short little legs, you won't have any problems getting to those wheels, pedals. Now both seats do turn around. They are both electric, 6 ways. You can see this one does have a recliner and a swivel. I don't know why it has that. There we go. So power, leg rest, and then extremely comfortable cushions. They have this added cushion on the armrest and it is just glorious. All right, so in terms of the front cabinetry, there used to be a TV there. They completely took it out. And as you can see, they added a televator fireplace combo. We'll get there. Check out the storage compartments. Nothing too crazy. It is just storage. They did do a nice housing for in here for all your devices. Got to have a multi-disc DVD player, switch box. Got the King Dome system and the Direct TV in there. Now this was where your TV was. You can see it's beautiful shelving now. A lot of people usually just put a piece of wood here and mount a TV. They went the extra mile. Storage up here. I'm 5'9". You do have to look up a little bit for these upper storages. See all your audio controls and the wind sensor. Now, one big blackout screen that comes down. These are manual right here. And that's about it up front. So let's turn around and check out the galley. So once again, quad slide. You got one slide from there all the way down right in front of that alcohol display cabinet. Now they added this 2-chair system here and this permanent kind of, center console. You can see you got plenty of power and USB. They would put their laptops in here and sit with a phenomenal viewing angle of the TV. Very comfortable chairs. And one thing that I thought was pretty cool, I could not figure out for the life of me what these do. You see you got these 3 lights. You can press this button and they go out. Quite cool. All right, dinette, table and chairs. And you can see you got your day and night shades throughout this whole coach. They are all shut. I wanted to show you how this coach looks. It's not terribly dark. Upgraded LEDs throughout, except for these 3 little lights there and there. A little printout from my website. Give you a little bit of information on this coach. Right. Now we're going to get to the back here in a second, but let's turn around and check out the other slide, which goes from that corner all the way down to this corner right here. Televator with the fireplace. We're in Arizona, so I don't have the heat on. It's not quite necessary, even though it is the winter. Now the televator is pretty cool. There's all these little buttons I couldn't figure out for the life of me, but press that one and then boom, your televator just goes down and it will reveal the window behind. Well, where's the fun in that? Let's keep that up. Once again, light control, turn those guys off. A little bit of storage to the left and a little bit of storage to the right. Now we're moving on into your kitchen. Beautiful countertop in here, and it's very seamless. It's hard to see where your cuts are for the stovetop and of course the sink. Let's start up. See your first kind of pantry cabinet system there. It is a convection oven because there is no oven down below. but it is a residential size, not one of the small ones. Storage above. And I'm pretty sure they added all these little latches here. I'm not sure if they had the plastic ones in here before, but I know those break quite often, so people love adding those. Look how deep that drawer is. And then you got two of these, which are the same depth and size. Once again, beautiful countertop. Under here we do have your 3-burner gas stove top, and there's 2 covers there. Under the oven, some storage, and then to the right even more. I got to do this one at a time. These are quite heavy. Your dual bay metal sink. The right side is a little bit more shallow than the left. There we go. Sponge drawer, massive. And then you can see that all the convection microwave stuff in here, because I'm sure it was bouncing around as they drove. And that's your kitchen. So now we have onwards to the, you know, we got a fridge there, we got a full washer dryer there, beautiful alcohol cabinet. You can see that coring tops does go through the back. One drawer right here, just for some extra stuff. And then right here is not storage, it's for your breaker box. Light controls, and then behind this panel we have your slide controls, generator start, water heater, AC, inverter, and tank indicators. Behind us we have our 4-door Norcold fridge and freezer. This is a ice maker setup, so top left should have your ice maker. And then regular freezer here. And finally, this does look like the upgraded size. I think it's an 8 cubic foot. Very nice. Now, if you're like me, you probably thought that was a door or an access point. It's not. You know, maybe you can get behind there. Maybe you can get to some of the water lines for the shower, but I'm not positive. So behind here, we have your stack washer and dryer. And it is a Whirlpool. It's not just a standard Splendid. It's a top load. Quite interesting. You don't see that too often in these. And then a little bit bigger of a dryer, so you don't have to deal with the slow drying aspect of those combo units. All right, one door right here that will, you know, pocket door, give you some separation into the bathroom. And then we got your, obviously your bathroom medicine cabinet, same coring throughout. China sink, a little bit of storage down below the sink, and then your shower. Shower's huge. Now, if you've seen my videos, you already know how tall or short I am. 5'9". I don't think I could jump and hit my head up there. Which really means I can't jump that high. All right, bathroom behind this door. Now, you do have a China toilet in here. Same coring and same China. Medicine cabinet and or toilet paper storage. Multiple fantastic fans in this coach with the Max Air Force covers. And then down below the sink, got a little bit of storage there. All right, now we're gonna look at the bedroom. 2 additional slides in the bedroom. That corner to that corner, and then right behind us, boom to boom. Now when these do come together, they do hug each other, so you gotta roll across the bed if you wanna get to any of the closetry back here. See, we do have a couple side tables. What happened to my lights? Couple side tables, and you do have those upgraded power in here too. Side windows there with those day and night shades. A little flickering going on. Storage above. You got 2 storage drawers there, and then one just kind of open one. Over here we do have 4 drawers. They're all the same size. Left of the TV, and then you got one right of the TV, upgraded TV again. And then cedar line closet there, 1 drawer there, and finally your closet, your main closet. So you got 2 lights in here, wardrobe bar all the way through, and you got a leaf for the table if you want it. Queen bed, if I didn't mention it. Is there storage under the bed? I can't remember. No, but you can access all the wiring pretty easily if you need to. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get this coach completely shut so you can see what the slides in from the interior and exterior. So bear with me, be with you in a couple minutes. Alrighty guys, here we go. From the front, as we can see, slides are in on both sides. Honestly, great walkway. Gets a little tight with the extended counter in the kitchen, but still, you know, if you're like me, a little bit wider in the hips, just do a little sidewalk, you're fine. Access completely to the shower, fridge, bathroom, toilet, washing machines, anything you'd want to get to. Oh, look at this, there's a drawer here. Hey. Now, like I said, you're going to lose access to all the cabinets there. You can still lay down in bed, watch TV. You can still get to that closet, not the right side, not the left side. So, not too bad. Next up, let's see it from the outside, closed up. And here is that Tribute all closed up. It really is a beautiful coach. Now, color scheme obviously is personal preference, but I think the lighter just looks phenomenal on RVs. Darker it gets, not a big fan of. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned about the floor plan. Maybe it answered a question you had. My name, once again, is Taylor Quayle. This coach is here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. If you have any questions, give us a call at 520-807-0900 and just ask for Taylor. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.